Hello class 4th. Welcome back again online class of science. I am Neeraj ma'am. Students, in our previous video we have completed question number 3rd. Now we will continue question number 4, page number 35. Answer the following questions briefly. Okay. So open your book, copies. Okay. Question A. How are herbivores different from carnivores? Now answer is like that differences between herbivores and carnivores. This table you will draw. In one side the animals that eat only plants and plants parts. Second side the animals that eat the flesh of other animals. In second point, they have strong legs to walk, example cow, horse, etc. And next side, they have hooked beak and sharp claws to tear the food, example eagle and lion. Now B part question, how is a camel adapted to survive in the hot desert? So students answer is, camel is adapted to survive in the hot desert by drinking almost 15 buckets of water in one gulp and store water in its stomach. C part, how are polar bears adapted to survive in the snow? Answer is, the polar bears are adapted to survive in the snow in the following ways. 1. They have fur on their bodies to keep themselves warm. Second, they have fat under their skin that they use as food in winters. D part, how is the frog adapted to live on land as well as in water? Answer is, a frog is adapted to live on land as well as water because they have limbs to move on land and swim in water. E part, how is the fish adapted to live in water? Answer is, a fish is adapted to live in water because they have boat-shaped body, gills to breathe and fins to swim. F. What feathers in a bird enables it to fly? Answer is, birds have light hollow bones, wings and feathers and a streamlined body that enables them to fly. G. What are parasites? Parasites are animals that live in the bodies of other animals. They obtain food and by sucking the blood on their hosts. H. How are aquatic animals different from terrestrial animal? Answer is, animals that live on land are called terrestrial animal while aquatic animals live in only water. I define the terms hibernation. The long winter sleep is called hibernation. Second, camouflage. It is a defense on tactics that organisms use to distinguish their appearance, usually to blend with their surroundings. Third, adaptation. Animals develop special features that enables them to survive in their surroundings. Here, just for fun, divide your classroom bulletin boards into 5 habitats: terrestrial, aquatic, aerial, arboreal and amphibian. So students, here what you will do, you will write 3 and you will paste 3 pictures of different categories of animals in your copy. It is your homework. Now second part, in the maze given below are hidden 6 terms you have learned in the lesson. Circle them. Means different 6 type of categories of animals you have studied. So as example, I am giving you one category amphibian. Like that, other remaining 5 categories animals name you will find here. Okay. Third, do you take care of animals? Tick the correct option. First, do you teach them? Wrong. Second, do you provide food to them? Correct. Third, do you provide water to them? Correct. Fourth, do you scare them with noise or crackers? Wrong. Fifth, do you make them shelter clean? Correct. Sixth, do you make them comfortable by petting them gently? Correct. And 7, do you take sick or injured animals to a veterinary doctor? It is also correct. Now fourth part, page number 37 students. Question 4 is, some animals have adapted to protect themselves for their एनिमीज मीन्स बच्चों हर एक जानवर को भगवान ने अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए कोई ना कोई ऐसा हथियार कह सकते हो या कोई ऐसी सोर्स दिया है जिससे वो अपनी सेफ्टी करता है ना। तो फाइंड आउट अबाउट द एडेप्टेशंस ऑफ दीज एनिमल्स फ्रॉम द इंटरनल एंड राइट। तो आपको ये सब इसके बारे में एनिमल्स के बारे में यहाँ पे लिखना है। पहला है ग्रासहोपर। ग्रासहोपर है पावरफुल जंपिंग लेग्स एंड विंग्स टू फ्लाई। मोस्ट ग्रासहोपर आर स्ट्रॉन्ग flights and will make good use of their wings to move. In chameleon, it is having the ability to change color for regulate body temperature and camouflage themselves against predators. Now, stick insects. These insects have adapted feet and legs such as jumping, digging, running and swimming. Porcupine, they adapted to live in woods. They are rodents with long sharp front teeth that grow throughout their lives. So students, our chapter is fully completed. You will do neat and clean question answer in your science copy, and I will meet you again taking new chapter in my next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.